What if the greatest mystery in the universe isn't out there in the stars, but right inside your own head? A 3-pound marvel that can compose symphonies, solve equations, and dream entire worlds. Yet it still refuses to reveal its deepest secrets. This is the human brain, science's last great frontier. Scientists have mapped regions, decoded signals, and even begun repairing broken parts. But the truth is, the brain is still an enigma. And today, we're diving deep into the unexplained mysteries that continue to puzzle the brightest minds. Stay with me until the end, because one of these mysteries may just change the way you see yourself forever. The enigma of consciousness. Consciousness, the fact that you are aware you exist. How does a collection of neurons produce you? Why does brain activity feel like something instead of nothing at all? Theories abound. Some say consciousness emerges from complexity. Others see it as a global workspace where different regions collaborate. And some suggest it's measurable, like information itself. But here's the problem. No theory explains why brain processes feel like anything. That's the infamous, hard problem of consciousness. Are we missing something bigger? Something beyond biology? Imagine this. What if consciousness isn't created by the brain, but something the brain tunes into, like a radio signal? If that were true, it would flip everything we know upside down. The power of dreams. Every night, you enter a strange theater. Your dreams. But why? Are they random nonsense or hidden blueprints of the mind? Some scientists say dreams help consolidate memories, clearing out the clutter, strengthening the important. Others believe dreams help process emotions, heal trauma, even spark creativity. And then there's lucid dreaming, when you realize you're dreaming and can actually control the story. What does that say about the layers of our consciousness? What if your wildest dream isn't just fantasy, but your brain trying to tell you something vital about your waking life? Memory. How we remember and forget. Memory is who we are. It shapes identity, decisions, everything. Yet memory is also fragile and deceiving. Memories aren't stored in one place. They're patterns across networks. Each recall reshapes them, sometimes even distorting them. That's how false memories form. Our own minds can trick us. Think about this. The story of your life you carry in your head might not be entirely true. The placebo effect and mind-body connection. Here's one of the brain's strangest powers, the placebo effect. Belief alone can trigger real healing, releasing endorphins, lowering stress, even boosting immunity. It blurs the line between mind and matter. How can something as abstract as expectation create measurable biological change? If belief can heal, could it also harm? Could the brain's power to expect illness actually make us sick? Neurological anomalies and unexplained abilities. Then come the anomalies. Synesthesia, where numbers have colors or music paints pictures in the mind. Phantom limbs, where amputees still feel pain in missing arms or legs. And rare cases of people living normal lives with most of their brain missing. These phenomena defy logic. They suggest the brain is both more fragile and more powerful than we can imagine. If people can live with only half a brain, what hidden potential lies within the rest of us? From consciousness to dreams, memory to healing, and anomalies that stretch imagination. The brain remains our greatest mystery. The closer we look, the more questions appear. These mysteries are dead ends. They're invitations. The brain isn't just an organ. It's a universe within. And exploring it may be the greatest adventure of all. So tell me, which mystery of the brain do you find most fascinating? Drop your thoughts below. Your perspective might unlock someone else's curiosity.